Alright class, I want to give you a quick video on what you need to do to get into your test. Okay, so you're going to log into Alex. This is the home screen. You're going to hit these triple bars here. And instead of Learn, you're going to go down to Assignments. And in Assignments, you should see Test 3. Okay, Test 3 for me, I've already taken it. But you're going to click on Test 3. I'm going to click on Final, which is going to be very similar. And then you're going to type the password in. So the password I will email, or I'll put it on Canvas. And then you're going to hit Start. Okay, and then you're going to take your test. You'll have 30 questions here. Okay, every time you get a question, you'll type your answer in. Submit. Okay, and then we'll go to the next question. There'll be 30 questions. Okay, so let's do skip knowledge check. Let's see. Continue. Okay, continue on the path. And then once you finish, you can hit these triple bars. You can go down to Gradebook, and you can see in here how you did. So I didn't do great. I think you'll do better. If you got any other questions, please let me know.